Hello everyone, and from today we will begin with the Python computer language. So, first of all, the question arises: why should you start with the Python? So the simplest answer I can give you is because Python is the most emerging language in today's time, and as well as it is very simple. So Python is the most simpler and most productive language for a beginner. Let's begin with its installation first. So here I'm on the official site of Python, python.org. So the link of the site will obviously in the description as usual. And then here you have to go on downloads and it will pop out, and here it will pop out the latest version of Python. So you have to just click on it and the setup will be installed in your system. You have to install it. So I am opening the setup. So my system is having already Python, so I just need to modify it. But when you are having a new window, means when you are installing it for the first time, some window like this will pop out on your screen. uh, I will just paste it here somewhere, and you have to first add the path and then custom install and just then simply install it. Now I have to go on modify because I have already Python in my system. Then next, and then install on my location, and then I have to close. Now let me show you something which is come with the Python setup, and here it is, the window where you have to code. So this is the IDLE shell which comes with the Python originally. But you have seen multiple images or videos where the dark theme based softwares are going on and the person is coding in it very frequently. It is not looking that. So for that, I have a software which is this PyCharm. Many of the videos can suggest you about VS Code, but I will suggest you Python because it gives a proper coding mindset to a programmer. I've used it. I've used VS Code for multiple times. So it doesn't give a great feeling when you are coding in Python. So for that, you can just switch to Python. You can use VS Code as well if you have it. No issues in that. You have to just install it as well. Download its community version because it's totally free, and where the professional version is paid after a month. You have to pay after a month. Then you have to click on downloads. This setup will be installed in your system. And then you have to just simply install it. Now let's write our first program. Here, after installation, here's my main window of PyCharm. So let's create a Python file first. Python file. Let's name it as mm, let's name it as y1. So here you can code easily. So let's write our first program, which is hello world. Obviously, if you are having a previous coding background, you can easily connect. So this is an remarkable thing that these IDEs can suggest you things and makes your work easier. As I have just written PR and it is showing me for the print command, and I have to just write in an hello viewer. Just like that, hello world. Yeah. And then we have to run it. Yeah. No, I have. Oh, I didn't have changed my this. So I have to just right click on this window and run by plus one. And here's my output. Hello dot, not hello dot. It's hello world. And let me tell you one thing that why I'm not uh, going for ID initial. First, because it doesn't give me that those suggestions that PyCharm can give me, as I have to write everything by my own, whether it is the brackets or colons and everything. But the result will be same here as well. Hello world, hello. Sorry, I just and here I have to just print hello world. just and yeah. So yeah, you can see the result is same, and you can notice one thing as well, that when you just press enter, the result is showing on your window, but you have to specifically run on it. This is because there are two modes of writing a code, which is one is individual and second is script mode. So yeah, this is our first video. Yes, in the second video we will just talk about variables and everything all, and in the third we will discuss a calculator program, and I will tell you about loops. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.